To end up the tutorial for flow control, I'm going to explain also for the global flow control. Let me show you here this one. Right now I have only one panel. I'm going to like add another panel. So I'm going to do it here quickly. Add, make it 8 doors. Doesn't matter because it really is not there, but at least you can see two panels here. So for demo purpose, so I go back to my flow control icon. Now it's global flow control. Now, what I was talking to you about before, this one can control one panel to another panel, one relay to another relay panel. So I hit new, and the source is gonna be my WatchNet panel, this one down here. The component, let's use lock number 1 because I hooked up this reader up here. And the status, when this one opens, I want on controller. So I choose my other panel component I want to activate because of this one. We won't be able to see nothing here or no reaction in the system here because again, this controller is not for real. Anyway, so now I choose lock number 1 for controller 8, whatever it calls. I want to open, no delay times, back to normal, has to be enabled. I want to create another action. Again, if my door number 1 opens, I want for controller number 2 or 8 to be open, back to normal after 5 seconds, and so on. So you can see I got my controller. This is going to be in my output, my controller, and my input's going to be relay number 1. So this is now tricky. You have to enable the global flow control for this to happen. Hit OK, and the software has to be online for this to work. Otherwise, it won't work. It will work if you do it as I explained on my previous video by inputs. So you have your door. It will work for each controller independently. But if you want to control one panel with another panel, so you have to do it enable global flow control and leave the software online. So now I flash my card. Of course, as I told you, nothing will happen. You'll see only the relay number 1 opening and supposed to open also relay number 1 and 2 for the door for the controller 8. That is supposed to be this one and this one. I hope you understand. If not, you can contact me online. I'll give you all my details at the end of the video training. Thanks for watching.